What's up, guys? I'm Taylor Robbins. This is Rise and Shine. Let's go take a look inside. Rise and Shine is the Cars and Coffee pop-up event that we do every first Friday of the month. And it's a different theme every single time. I was an attendee. Rise and Shine happened to be every Wednesday. I can't even believe that's how often it used to happen. I was a freelancer at the time, so I was looking to network with people, and Rise and Shine really ended up being that event for me. As time went on and as I started to do work with Race Service, eventually they tasked me with running Rise and Shine, which was a huge honor. The big idea behind Rise and Shine speaks a lot to the ethos of Race Service, not just being a media agency, not just being an apparel brand, but also being a hub for the car culture and for motorsport culture, specifically car culture in Los Angeles. Los Angeles has one of the best car cultures in the world. I think a lot of what makes Rise and Shine special is the place that it's happening in. I mean, this space that, you know, the founders of Race Service have created for us is, I mean, there's interesting things wherever you look. I really love the variety of themes that we've done in the past. We've done Made in Japan. We've done a camera-specific one in partnership with Leica. We've done lowriders. The list just goes on and on with the categories of cars that you can choose for an event like this. I think what people can expect when they pull up to Rise and Shine, to come away with something new. I think that's what a lot of people get when they meet our guests, when they see the cars. Too much to take in from being here for 3 hours. And I think that's what keeps people coming back, is just the attention to detail in this space and everything. It's second to none. It's pretty hard to just take it all in from coming to one event. You have to come back. You have to look at all the other things that are happening here because there's so much and it's nonstop here. Things never stop changing here. The people, there's always new people coming in here. Sometimes I don't even know how they find out about this event, but they do. And it can range from someone all the way down the street from Rise and Shine all the way to MotoGP and F1 drivers that come here. The way things start with Rise and Shine, the crew's got to get here at 7 a.m. So right now it is 7:58. There's plenty of things to do around here, plenty of things to move. We want everything to be perfect around here, and we want people to walk in and see something extraordinary. So today's theme is going to be 80s. I'm a big fan of the Porsche 944, so I'm really glad that we got that one in here. Taylor Raymond. Thank you so much for coming, Raymond. Really appreciate it. Go left hand down. Yeah, this is great. Thank you.
It's Adam. I'm the guy who plugs electricity into the turntables and plays music through them. Today, we got a 1980s theme, so I might be playing some 80s music.
Rise and Shine Coffee. It's a very important part. We work really closely with La Marzocco. These are the homies at Motoring Coffee as well.
Coffee.
All right. But yeah, so coffee at Rise and Shine is very important. If you look over here, we have our own beans now. That's crazy. Conifer designed the bag. We're serving them. And it's been a cool evolution. As we continue to learn and grow, the homies at La Marzocco show us how to get better. Really try to curate it to be like, if you come to a Rise and Shine, you're getting like full-on cafe quality level coffee. No, like you're gonna get proper coffee at Rise and Shine.
I am Emma, and we're setting up for Rise and Shine.
Good.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Okay.
We need like an order now. Like
we're currently in Bay 1. We're creating this little like retail space. T-shirt, long sleeves, hat. Race Service team. Checkers or wreckers. This one has a pretty cool wash. Designed by Nico. Safety patch, black corduroy one. Chassis Champions one. Racing ruined my life.
nice.
All right, good day.
Oh, he's coming in hot. He's coming in hot.
What are you setting up for right now?
I'm Unk. I'm going to be shooting a recap video and also the DJ set video. FX6 and A7 III.
How was that? Whoa, that was bam. Money, bro, money.
Have you seen the blue card?
The blue card? Whoa.
No. You have enough from me.
What are you doing today? All that
You
about?
spicy meatballs.
You spicy meatballs. Dude, I heard you're being a spicy little meatball today, bro.
Me?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's what they were saying, dude.
I'm Max, and I help do some photo and video.
My favorite car.
No, but I think it's pretty funny that we hit the double-decker car for this one. It feels unsafe.
All right, 9:45 a.m. We got coffee up, cars are here, DJ spinning. Let's go check it out. I think probably one of the best things about Rise and Shine is you don't need to be a car enthusiast to come here.
Hey guys, what's up? We're at Rise and Shine.
It's a good time. Bring the dogs.
Shamoy.
And I'm Valentina. It's great vibes. We got coffee going.
If you haven't been to a Rise and Shine, highly, highly recommend.
Got my matcha fits going on. They're great.
That's kind of the beauty of what race service does. It kind of breaks down the wall of like what people may think they need to do to be around cars or know things about cars or any of that. So now that everything's in place, all the cars are here, the coffee's set up, the DJ's spinning, now I go from being a producer to being a photographer.
All right, I hope this is in focus, but sometimes we go onto the roof at these events. This is me walking up this ladder so we can get a good aerial view. Hey, I'm passing this to you. It's recording.
Boom.
Roof time, roof time.
Roof time.
Hey.
Roof time. Rise and Shine in full swing.
Trying to knock out some drone stuff because I'm a one-man band
Dude, you're in
today.
sicko mode, bro. You put that bandana on.
It's because I sweat a lot, man.
Okay, I got it now. Damn, that's sick, bro.
Great crowd today, weather was great. I just want to give a big thank you to everybody that comes to Rise and Shine. This is what it's all about. People get to come here, see some cars that they've never seen before in a place that's totally unique for cars and coffee. I love you all. It is such a pleasure to put on these shows for you all and get to meet everybody. That's my favorite part, is meeting new people that come to race service and showing people race service for the first time. You guys ever want to come out to Rise and Shine? It's every first Friday of the month. It's a different theme every single time. We'll see you there.